Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be trying out this Btart box pre-buffed press-on nails, and I just want to say it's really good to be back. I was off for like a really long holiday, but I will get into that in just a minute. So I just want to show you what they've sent me. I was really hoping to try these out. They look so promising, and they also come with like this nail gel glue, I guess, that you use to apply the nail tips. You also get your instructions, of course, on how to use the products and how to put on your nail tips for like a long-lasting nail. So this is what the gel looks like. I really like the square look on the bottle. That's always kind of been my thing. I love this look, and the gel itself felt very good. I do like that it wasn't too stiff. Some gels can be a bit too stiff, kind of like a builder gel consistency, and that makes it kind of hard to apply, but this one felt very, very nice. So the first thing they sent me were these base coat free pre-buff finish nail tips, and in the back you can kind of see all the other shapes they have, which is amazing. I love that they offer different lengths and different kind of styles as well. They also have other nail tips that have like designs on them or like a French tip on them. I've seen that, and that looks really, really good too. So don't forget to check out their website. I will link it down in the description box below, and I will also have my discount code on screen. Something else that I noticed about these nail tips was that they have amazing sizes. They go from size 0, I believe, to size 14, which is amazing. If you guys have watched me for some time now, you know I have the smallest nail beds, and it was amazing to find a nail bed size for my pinky finger, so I'm gonna get onto that later on. They also sent me the pink nude ones, and these were also pre-buffed. These, you do get less of these. I believe there's 150 pieces inside, whereas the other one there was about 500. And one thing that I like about these kind of natural / nude colors is that the cuticle area is kind of like transparent. You can see my pinky kind of behind the nail tip, which I really like, because when you go to apply, they look very, very natural, and you don't have to worry about like that weird kind of solid looking cuticle area. It just looks super natural, and I really like that they've kind of thought about this when making their nail tips. And the last color they sent me was this brown nude kind of shade. Again, it comes with the instructions. They also have a little like light that you can use to cure these nails on, but I didn't use that. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use whatever I have. And again, these had that beautiful kind of translucent natural look to the cuticle area. The sizes on these are amazing. I can't believe that it comes with like 14 to 15 sizes. As you can see, even my smallest finger fits, which is amazing. So I definitely give these nail tips a thumbs up. They definitely have changed up their game with their nail tips. I even had tried their press-on nails one time, and those were amazing as well, and they lasted me for about a month. So yeah, if you guys haven't checked out Btart box and their nails, they are honestly so good. The quality of the nails is so good. They think about the design, they think about shapes, they think about like if you want to wear these as like press-ons. It's just really a game changer, so just go check them out. I do have a discount code. Again, it's 20% off, and I will have it on screen. So here is me just sizing out my nail tips, and what I like to do is just kind of file the edge. This is because there's that little tab piece, and obviously we don't want that, so I just quickly filed that away. I then went ahead and applied my peel off base coat off camera, and now I'm going in with the gel. I didn't do any nail prep in this video because I will be popping these off later, but I am just going in with that gel, and that gel is a really nice consistency. It's not super thick, like I said. I was really excited to see how these would work with the press-on nails. So yeah, I'm just applying a thin layer, and then I cure these for about 30 seconds, and I checked them and they were fully cured after 30 seconds, but I did just do the full 60 just to be sure. and now I'm going in with the nail tips. I was super excited because I've never tried anything like this before, and as you can see, I like to do like a thin layer, and then I kind of like to apply a little extra at the cuticle area. Then I like to slide the nail tip up. I feel like that's something that I have been doing recently, and that makes it so much easier to get less gel on the skin. I'm still not a pro at this, but I've definitely got better. I feel like the more I kept doing this, the more I got better at it. So yeah, these looked so good as soon as I put them on. As you can see, there's no air bubbles. You have to go really slow with this. So once you slide the nail tip on and start to press down, don't go too fast when you're pushing down, otherwise the gel will just kind of ooze out the edges. So you just want to start pushing really, really slowly and then hold that under the light. So I do just want to say a big thank you to anyone who's still watching my video. I know I haven't posted in a while. I have missed my channel so much, and I'm really looking forward to doing the nail content. Unfortunately, I did get sick with COVID, so I couldn't really post as soon as I got back. But now I'm doing so much better, and I'm just so ready to film some more nail content. So if you're still watching, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bells so you know every time I upload. I will try to upload a couple times a week. But yes, don't forget to drop me a comment down below. I would love to say back to you, and yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. So once all the nail tips were fully cured, I did just go in with my buffer because I wanted to do some nail art. So something else that I probably should have mentioned about these nail tips is that they feel very good. Like when I tried to pinch the nail tips in my hand, they feel very strong at the tip, but the cuticle area was nice and kind of soft. It was a little bit more flexible, which is exactly what a gel X nail / press-on nail should be, because if it's too thick at the cuticle, it will kind of get stuck in things as it grows out. The cuticle area needs to be flush, and these nail tips were definitely flush. I didn't feel the need to file them with my hand file at the cuticle area or my e-file to get it flush. So yeah, these nail tips were just perfect. I would be really excited to try their more shorter, kind of natural looking nail tips. I've seen that they are now doing like a French tip kind of press-on nail, and they've also got some other stunning designs. So for those of you out there who love your short nails, they've got round, they've got square, they've got oval, they've got it all. So just check it out. It's honestly amazing. And I absolutely love how far this brand has come. I remember when they just used to do like your basic nail tips, like your half cover nail tips or a couple full cover nail tips, and now they do like the full-on natural nail tips. They do all sorts of designs with their press-on nails, which I've tried, and those are amazing. So yeah, if you guys are still looking for some sort of nail tips that you want to try out, something new, definitely take a look on their website. They are super affordable. I also do have a 20% off discount code, which I don't remember off the top of my head, so I will have it on screen, and it will also be linked down below. So yeah, you guys check it out. I'm just doing some really simple nail art. This is still like a winter inspired nail art. I know I'm a little bit late, but yeah, I just haven't posted enough winter nail art, and it made me kind of sad. So I just wanted to squeeze in one last nail art design. This is like a sweater inspired nail design, and I'm just using some nail art liners. I will link everything I'm using down below. So when doing this gel X method, you actually want to be careful with how much gel you're putting inside the nail tip. Definitely do not go in with a regular base coat. Usually those are much thinner, and they are more likely to kind of spread and ooze out of the sidewalls / cuticle area. And you definitely do not want that, because that's gonna lead to lifting. Of course, you can always file it away, but I feel like we can just eliminate that risk by just using a proper kind of thicker gel. You could, I guess, get away with a builder gel if you have that, but usually the brands that usually do kind of the Gel X nail tips, you can kind of find a gel from their website that comes with the nail tips. Sometimes you can buy this individually, or maybe it comes in like a kit or something. But yeah, Btart box definitely has their own gel for this, which is really, really nice. Sometimes I get nail tips sent to me and I don't have the matching gel to use with it, so I kind of just use what I have. Or when I first started my channel, I used to just use builder gel, which wasn't the best and it was a bit hard to work with, but I feel like you can definitely use it if you don't have anything else. But definitely do not go in with base coat, because that will not lead to a long-lasting gel extension, and you will most definitely get some sort of lifting or some sort of oozing out on the edges. So definitely be mindful of that when purchasing any kind of Gel X nail tips. Of course, with this Btart box one, you can buy the gel separately, or I think you can buy the they might have a kit where you can kind of get everything together. I'm not sure. I do need to check their website. But if you do purchase these tips, which I highly recommend that you do, definitely get the gel with it as well. And also, when doing your extension, make sure that you prep your nails really good. Try to kind of buff the nail surface and tidy up your cuticles if you absolutely have to. I will have a nail drill review coming soon, so I might be doing some nail prep in that video. If not, I will try to include it in a future video, just because I feel like I need to do an updated nail prepping video. I haven't shown that on my channel for some time now, just because I do my nails so often that I can't prep them every day, otherwise they would just get way too fragile and thin. So yeah, I will hopefully be coming up with that soon. So now I'm just finishing off with some top coat, and this is the finished result. I love how these nails turn out. I think the nail art definitely helped the nails to pop a little bit. I'm then going in with a little bit of cuticle oil and I'm just massaging that in, and that's pretty much the look for today. I kept it a little bit simple, but still kind of with like the winter vibes. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These nail tips were amazing. I am definitely happy to have received them. I'm really excited to try out the brown ones, the brown nudie ones, and I've also actually tried the clear ones already, so I will be having another video of that going up pretty soon, and I will be applying it with using a different method, so stay tuned for that. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how these came out. This was so easy and quick to do. I hope you guys have fun using these nails if you have them already. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you have purchased these nails or have been inspired by my video. I would love to see a recreation or any kind of creation that you kind of decide to do. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my little video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.